Hi again everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog is we're gonna drive, mountain driving with the sandal. So our outfit for today is this sandal with heels. So this is what I'm gonna wear today. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. So let's go. I have also dash camera here that is off all the time. So for now we're gonna drive to the mountain. So come with me and just enjoy the view of my shoes. So seatbelt. Driving here is really different because you have to look everywhere because there are people just like cross the street and you don't know what you're doing in the car, the blinker. You don't really understand that because in the Philippines it's not common for us to have cars because only those can afford and can have the car. And for poor people, you don't really understand the blinker of the car like that kind, so you're the one who adjusts here. So now we're gonna do foot brake, then drive, handbrake down. So we'll see first if my angle is good. So all is good, so let's drive. So the reason I bend sometimes because my dash camera will off after 5 minutes. So I click some shout there I think, so I have to check later.